Motivation is the engine of adult learning. Without it, even the best content falls flat. With it, learners will move mountains. So what really drives adults to learn? We start with two types of motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation comes from within. It's fueled by curiosity, purpose, growth, and the sheer joy of learning. When someone learns because they want to, not because they have to, that's intrinsic. It's the employee who takes a coding course after work just to understand how things work. Or the parent who studies psychology to become a better communicator. This kind of motivation is powerful, sustainable, and deeply personal. Then there's extrinsic motivation, driven by external rewards or pressures. Think promotions, certificates, salary bumps, deadlines, or avoiding negative consequences. These motivators work best when the outcome is clear and immediate. Neither type is better. In fact, adult learners often need a mix of both. Extrinsic motivators can kickstart action, especially when life is busy or stressful. But intrinsic motivation sustains long-term growth. So how do we design learning that taps into both? First, make learning relevant. Adults ask, why does this matter to me? If they see a clear link between what they're learning and their goals, they'll engage. That's both intrinsic and extrinsic at work. Second, offer autonomy. Adults want choice. Let them set goals, choose formats, and control pace. Autonomy builds ownership, and ownership drives motivation. Third, build competence. When learners feel like they're making progress, they stay motivated. Chunk content, celebrate wins, and show results early. Success builds momentum. Fourth, create connection. Adults are social beings. Learning in community, with feedback, encouragement, and shared challenges, amplifies both motivation types. Finally, acknowledge their purpose. Ask learners to reflect on their why. Connect content to their values, identity, and aspirations. When learning feels aligned with who they are, motivation soars. As educators, our job isn't just to transfer knowledge, it's to spark the fire that keeps adults coming back. Because when motivation is activated, anything is possible. In the end, adult learning is not just about skill, it's about will. And that's the difference between information and transformation.